Hi guys. In this video, today I will show you how to create landscape preset and make your photos perfect. Look at the results before and after, it's just amazing, right? Preset can be downloaded for free. Let's get started. First, go to Light. Exposure plus 0.20. Contrast plus 15. Highlights minus 50. Shadows plus 11. Whites minus 25. Blacks to minus 30. Press curve. Follow these steps. Press red. Then green. If you're not subscribed to us, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And press blue. And done. Next, go to color. Temperature to plus 6. Tint plus 6. Vibrance to plus 14. Saturation minus 20. Next, press color mix. Press red. Hue to plus 10 and saturation to plus 20. Press orange, bring down the hue to minus 10. Saturation to plus 30. Press yellow. Bring down hue to minus 82. Saturation to plus 55. Luminance to plus 40. Next, green dot, bring down hue to minus 100. Saturation to minus 76. Luminance to minus 61. Next, aqua. Hue to plus 30. Saturation to minus 40. Luminance to minus 62. Next, blue. Hue to plus 14. Saturation to minus 100. Luminance to minus 20. Violet. Saturation to minus 100. Magenta, saturation to minus 100. And done. Next, go to Effects. clarity to +12. Dehaze to +15. Vignette -30. Midpoint to 30. Press split tone. Bring the hue 217 and saturation 10 to highlights. Then hue 230 and saturation 10 for shadows. And done. Go to details. Sharpening 80. Noise reduction 20. Color reduction 25. Now copy this preset to another photo. Press copy setting. Paste setting here. If you not subscribed to us, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And turn on bell notification. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.